For the fourth question, we are going to create an empty list. Then we are using for loop to create a 5 numbers as an input. Then we are converting it into an integer and adds the number to the number list using append of function. Then we are converting the numbers into a tuple using a tuple of function. Then we are printing the tuple on the screen. Then we are asking for numbers to be count how many times it appears in the tuple. Then we are displaying the result. Next question is about NumPy. NumPy is a library which is used for numerical operation, especially with arrays and matrix. In this question, we are going to create two matrix. The main function is np.array. It is the main function in the NumPy. Then we are performing the matrix subtraction. In this, we have to subtract each element in matrix 2 from the corresponding element in matrix 1. So we get the subtraction value. Then we have to print the matrix in the 2 by 2 format. Next question is about NumPy and pandas. NumPy is used for numerical operation, especially arrays and matrix. Pandas is used for data handling and analysis. In this question, we are going to create and display a NumPy matrix, which is a 3 by 3 matrix. Then we have to find the maximum element in the matrix. So we are using the main function np.max to find the maximum element. Then we are going to read the CSV file. So we are used to create df equal to pd.readcsv and the file to be mentioned. Here the file is toyota.csv. Then the main question is to display the top 10 rows of the CSV file. So we are using the head. It will describes the first 10 rows. Then we are using tail. It will describe the last 5 rows of the CSV file. Then we have to display the number of rows and columns in the CSV file. So we are using shape, which will shape of rows and shape of columns, which will displace the number of rows and the number of columns. Then we have to display the size, shape, dimension, and information summary. So we are for the size we are using df.size. It will describes the size of the CSV file. Then for the shape, df.shape, it will describes the shape of the file. Then for the dimension we are using df.ndim, which it will describes the dimension of the file. Then info will describes the information summary of the file. Thank you.